Where will they go this night now?
You see, they just open one club for our area now. That's the reason we want to hit that club tonight now.
How far will we do our place? Time?
Don't worry now. Around that 7, I go down now. 7 now.
Go around that 8. Those babies don't come.
That one now good idea.
People don't get us for that my area. They get with
almost. Tell me about that now.
Go that side. I'm just shy.
Yo, fuck Cinderella.
Babe. I don't know the exact thing to say now because I was telling you let's go to the hospital. You said no. Check up, you said no. Now we are packing different kind of drugs. We don't even know if they will work or not. Well, I trust and I believe they will work because you recommended them yourself. So just sit up. Sorry.
Thank you, baby.
Sorry. Don't worry. I believe within the next couple of days you should be perfectly fine.
Okay.
Because to be sincere with you, I've missed every vibes and everything that has to do with you. Yeah. That's my girl. Okay, you just have to take the little one there. Sorry. Don't worry, you'll be fine. I just want you being happy, being good, have nothing to worry about. And like I've told you countless times, I want you to always know that I am always there for you and will always be there for you. Do you understand? So remember, you're my every time happiness, like everyday happiness. I dey try go through one or two things inside this book, Jerry.
Yeah, this is your book, Sha. I know you say you even sabi the book.
Wetin man go do? At least I go try read one or two things now. I no be like you.
Like me how?
You be a few way now. So.
But
God go share help us.
guys, get something where I want to reason you about this your babe.
Babe. I would say na money matter.
Nah, this is your money. Guys.
Wait to do am.
This girl like you, normal.
Wait, so shey you dey talk about what Roslyn or who?
You should know who I'm talking about, guy. Like this girl is always after me. Please let me talk to this guy. I love him, this and that. And you are just after Roslyn every fucking time. I just get. I don't know what to do. Just try to give this girl just a chance, and at least it's going to work out.
How many girls do you have?
Normal, it's outside this street now.
Then you can simply add that to one of your leaks.
Guy, you are just trying to change the conversation. You just divert this thing. This girl now, even all this kind of girl we say na better character. This girl.
Guy, I don't reason you countless times. All I want is Rose. All that matters is Rose. I'm satisfied with her and I'm okay with her.
But you know this girl wey dey fall for sef, wey just dey shout. Shey you sabi wetin this girl dey do? You know wetin dem dey talk about her? This girl's not your type.
Mr. Felix.
Sir?
Thank you. If you need Tolani, and I can even remember like 2 different occasions you've told me that you love everything about this Tolani of a girl.
Yes, I think she's good for you.
Then definitely she will be good for you.
Then, yeah, this thing you are taking it to another, like, just you are changing the topic, and it's not necessary.
Brother,
you can actually give it a try. This girl is she's nice.
I beg, give try for those who get her. As far as I'm concerned, I'm okay and satisfied.
Normal, but that girl, I don't trust her. The way I dey see the girl.
You go chop.
Wasn't there yourself?
Go kitchen, go sort out food. Forget babe. There's actually this particular question I have been wanting to ask you before now.
What is that?
And I won't actually want you to take it personal.
What is that?
It's about this guy James or something. I've been hearing a whole lot about him that has to do with you. Like you going out with him, visiting him, to the point that you even know his house.
Babe,
Yes.
do you think I'm cheating on you?
Well, with utmost respect, I trust you like 100%. But remember, I'm also a guy.
Fine, I know you're a guy, but James of all people, James is just a friend, like a casual friend that we see, we talk, we just gist normal. There's nothing special between James.
A casual friend that you even cook for.
Come on, babe. Okay, before you started dating me, at least some guests come here to cook for you. He does not have a girlfriend, and I'm his friend, like a close friend. So cooking for him is not a big deal. I don't see it as a big deal. I don't expect you saying this, babe. You know I love you. You know I can't even shit on you. It's not possible.
I love you too. Like, hey, but babe. Well,
Can we not even talk about James? James of all guys.
I believe you. Like, I believe you.
Are you sure?
100.
Are you sure?
100.
No, okay, I love you, baby.
I love you too. So, let's even divert away from that. So, what's your plan for the rest of the day?
I'm thinking to go. Hello? Yeah. Good afternoon. Entrance. Alright, just come in. By the left.
Okay, thank you.
Alright. Yeah. God knows who this is. I'm coming. James?
Surprised?
You.
Can I?
Yeah, come.
Thank you. Can I sit, please?
Yeah, you can sit. Just sit down.
Thank you.
I wonder what the playboy is doing in my house.
Come on. I just came to say hi.
You playboy. What are you doing here?
Tolani, don't tell me you believe what those people say about me.
Of course, it's obvious.
New day, different story about James. Come on, all those are fathers in Tolani.
So what are you doing here?
Like I said, I just came to say hi. And Tolani, I must say, you are very beautiful, like one in a kind. Sometimes I do wonder if you are one of the angels God sent from heaven, maybe to make the wrong done by the devil, you know. And this thing, I don't just know how to express myself. I mean, Tolani, I don't know how you feel about me, but Tolani, I think I love you. Like, real, this is real. I'm in love with you. Like, anytime I see you, I set my eyes on you, there's this feeling in me that I've never felt for any lady before. I don't know, I've never felt this way before, honestly.
Okay.
Tolani,
Yes.
I think about your lips.
Are you okay? Are you mad? Something wrong with you? Get up. Get off my bed. Out. Now. I mean outside now. Stand up. Idiots. Out.
Guy, come up for my bed now. Come on, what's happening? But yeah, outside now. Don't wanna ever see you again in my house.
You're not even done yet. Just a little.
This girl not get married, dude. No go kill her or small.
I don't be killer now. You know, I feel she be. Just hit small. Take it easy.
After that stuff.
Can I try?
I need them in the next 24 hours.
Yeah, let's do this.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, I'm not supposed.
Wait.
I'm very eager to.
Let me go first, okay?
Okay.
Do like this first.
You don't see this baby.
Are you watching me? Watch closely.
I beg,
Okay?
more this girl. I don't knock her like
Hey babe, what's up? It's good to see you. This way you are showing up in my house.
I just came to greet you. Can't I greet a friend
You
again?
can. How you
How is your
doing?
health? I'm fine.
Baby girl, look at me. Oh.
Seriously.
I'm better.
Even in sickness, you are still glowing.
Come again.
Okay, yeah. Actually, there's something I want to tell you about Bolaji and James. You know, you really have to. You just have to just choose one of them. Like, just stay by one of them and just get. Baby girl.
You know Bolaji. I cannot leave Bolaji for
Here you go
anybody.
again.
He holds the key to my heart that I cannot even change him. But you see, James, we all know he's a source of finances. He's just been supportive. When I want to flex, we go out, we have vibes together. But for Bolaji, baby girl, I'm not. I can't leave him. I love him.
Okay, you know you just have to choose one. I'm your friend. That's why I'm telling you all of this.
I know. When it's time for James to leave, he will leave himself. But for Bolaji, I'm not leaving Bolaji.
No problem. That's what
I'm
you want.
not.
Just say
Let's forget about that. What do you want to eat?
I'm not really taking anything. I can
Are you
find my way to
sure?
the kitchen.
Okay, I have a lot of glories
No
there.
problem.
So, babe, what's up?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good. So, you said there is not something you want to discuss with me because I'm actually tired like right now, and I'm only still here basically because you said you don't want to discuss it at home or anywhere else. So, what is it?
Yeah, I just need a private space, just the two of us to talk about it.
Okay, are you sure you're fine?
Yeah, kind of fine.
Okay, and what is it?
So, I did a pregnancy test and it came out positive.
Pregnancy test.
Yeah.
How? Like when?
Why the question?
No, like I need to ask you because we've always been using protections. We never had it raw. So
Okay, you need me to remind you, right? Let me remind you. Remember that night we went to the party clubbing together. We both got drunk and we got back home and we had sex.
wait.
trendybeats.com.
Wait, are you trying to tell me now that okay, we went out, got back, we were both drunk to the extent that okay, I removed I was zipped, then bring out the thing, then penetrate, then you open your leg so wide, then we do the do.
This, what are you
To
talking
the point that you got
about?
pregnant.
Yes, we did have sex, even it was raw without protection. You were not on protection, I was not on protection, and this is the result here. Save me this explanation, babe. I am pregnant. And obviously it is only you. So why are we talking about why the argument?
Okay, so what is the solution?
I don't know. Come up with something. Think of something.
Definitely we can't keep it. You know the situation. We are still trying to survive here, then we can't try to bring in a baby that we will be putting, like, jeopardizing his or our future.
Get one babe why I yesterday.
Nice. I always see your own vibes. I look like this guy.
Trust me now.
What do you mean?
Trust me.
No, like
What do you mean?
I say be like.
It's not my bag, I just keep me work. She get. My just be like, my just shift here.
No, wait, which kind of work you still need to get? You just sit down yesterday and our guy they shift. I was like, no, hey, guy, chill out there. Man, someone big for you to get front and back. You understand?
Let me say you dey inside serious relationship.
Leave her.
I give you the para for me.
No, we go do on top no kill guy.
Wetin you dey do low?
You don cast now. You don cast.
So wetin you wan talk?
Guy, no, forget that stuff. Nah.
You get your relationship. No, you don't fit do that kind of stuff. You don't just give me back just the shake.
You na my guy now.
Yeah,
I go carry you reach that level.
James.
I dey hear you now.
I want to see you.
You wan see me? You dey see me where I dey see you.
You don't see
You dey
us.
see ourselves now. Baby, why you off my music
We
now?
need to talk.
Talk.
You don't see us, man.
I know the
You don't see us.
I do have time for you. Good afternoon.
Hey, my way talk to my guys. These people are my family, eh? The way they talk about my family, man, I don't like them. These people are my G from day one. Share they get, share
James,
they
I'm
come.
here for something important.
Hey, talk them now. Me, I no deaf now.
Let
Talk
them
them.
leave. I can talk.
They don't feel leave, oh. They don't feel leave.
James, why are you doing this?
Okay, make them leave at G.
Yes, let them go.
Alpha G, like say you go excuse us. You know you don't come with our other like this. Gas to accept.
Actually, don't say you fuck up because of this guy. I will come up for you, ba.
Shit, I'm you the reason like that. You dey craze. Guy, what's your
Fuck you, Joe. Fuck
I mean, don't make I jam you for street, oh. If I jam you last, so I go run your matter.
Babe.
Waiting now, waiting.
Why are you shifting?
I no go shift now. She be won't see me now. You don't see me like this.
Okay, fine. This is it. I have something very important to tell you.
Waiting dey important we want talk. I dey hear.
Babe, okay. Yesterday, I got the call that I've been rusticated from the school.
Oh, wow. That one is nice. So,
Guy, I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go.
why they cry like this now? I mean, I know they like Amo. See, they don't rusticate you already. Me, to me, I know day school.
Babe, you can't do this to me. Have you forgotten everything that you promised and everything that I have sacrificed in this relationship? I can't go home. I can't go to my family. I have nowhere to go. Babe, you are the only person I have.
Don't Jones with that now. Don't Jones. See, me I don't be student. Me I not day school. I not day school. Me I be employer. You be employee. And I don't employ you. Now your contract don't end. I will just got to go. Okay.
So basically, everything that we've had and shared is just like a contract.
Hey.
Did you remember you told me you love me? Did you remember I took money from?
Hey, man, listen to something. She don't forget all the boat cruise, all the jai women I do for you. I spend my money on top you now.
Really? Did you remember I also forgive my school fees for you?
That one, you don't jones with that. I don't be student. I don't clear you. I don't be student too. Don't jones with that. So forget matter. Now I don't feel marry you. You know, not be maintenance now. I don't feel marry you. As a day like this, I got to.
Wait, just
wait, see. Don't make I hit you.
Wait.
After everything, what do I do now? After losing everything, what is the next option? I was warned. Everybody told me about it. Even my friends.
Cinderella, fuck Beauty and the Beast. Fuck all they made me.
Hey babe, what's up? What's going on with you?
Baby girl, how are you?
I'm fine. What's
Babe,
it?
I'm confused about the situation with me, Bolaji and James. For James, he has been acting weird these days. Like, he's acting as if he does not give a fuck about me. And Bolaji is kind of suspecting the situation, like I'm cheating on him, and I don't want him to know, and I still don't know what to do.
I told you to choose already, right?
Babe, it's not easy to choose. You know the situation now.
You're risking yourself already. You just have to choose already.
Babe, I had 2 pregnancies aborted for James already. And coming to Bolaji is not there financially. I'm asking for money for something today, 2 months. But James' case is different.
Listen to what you're saying. You already aborted 2 pregnancies for James, and Bolaji is really getting to find out. Is this why you want to keep risking yourself for him?
I don't know, like, but come. Your voice is getting too harsh.
My voice is getting too harsh.
It is my situation. I'm telling you because I need a valid
Fine,
advice.
it is your situation, then sort it out.
Thank you, then leave.
I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. But I think I need to just go back to BJ. Bolaji loves me. He cares about me. He will take me back. All I need to do is to just confess to him and apologize. I know he loves me. He will take me back. He will.
What? You're not even the one that is stupid. I'm the one that is so stupid here.
I'm sorry.
No, you made it very obvious, and they told me. My friends told me. But I was like, oh my God, I've gotten the best ever girlfriend in the world. I've gotten the only perfect Rosalind that every other lady is a counterfeit. But here I am.
Babe,
Rose.
I love
Rose.
you.
Rose.
Like, everything was a mistake.
Okay.
From James to the drugs
Oh.
to the school fees, the money I took from you.
Oh.
I gave them to James. To that, to the abortion, the pregnancy. So you just baga it all. You're not even bothered. Me Bolaji's around.
You know, I'm always been careful, so I know he wasn't around, so that was the reason why I came. So you were going to tell me something, and so what is it all about here now?
Yeah, it's nothing serious though.
Nothing serious, but you actually sounded serious.
Because I'm bothered. Okay, I'll just go straight to the point.
Okay.
I'm pregnant.
Sorry.
I said I'm pregnant, and here you are laughing. What is that supposed to mean?
Sorry. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
To you. Yeah.
First, you laughed. Now, congratulations. Supposed to be congratulations to us.
Wait. Being pregnant is a thing of joy.
Yes,
so,
it is.
And it shouldn't be congratulations to us. It should be congratulations to you. How about that? Because I know I'm not responsible for this.
You are not responsible for what? Please say me the crap. What do you mean by you are not responsible for the pregnancy?
Wait. Everyone knows that it's either me or Bolaji.
Oh, really?
And wait, it has been me before, so definitely this time around, it's got to be Bolaji.
Oh my God. So now you are shifting it to Bolaji, right?
I'm not shifting.
Bolaji that does not even have the time to have sex. He's always busy, and if at all we are going to do it, he's always on protection, always. So it is you that likes to do it in the morning, in the afternoon, at night too. And you never use protection. You're always doing it raw. So it is yours, and you are taking this pregnancy.
So now you keep records.
Yes,
of how...
I keep records.
It's fine. You good at record keeping. Fine. But hey, I'm not responsible for this.
You are responsible for this, and I'm not doing another abortion. I've done it once, and I'm not doing it again. So it's either you start taking the responsibility now.
I'm not responsible for this.
You
How do
are.
you expect me to take responsibility of what I'm not responsible
So
for?
who is responsible for it then?
Okay, fine. I'm responsible for this. I accepted that.
Better.
But babe, I think we can just get rid of this thing. It should be good for you, for me, and we continue from where we stopped.
Really? You want me to do another abortion, right? Fine. How do we go about it? You are broke and I'm also broke. What do we do?
We can just wait. I think I have a plan.
The pregnancy was not yours. It was for James. I'm sorry. I'm a new Rose. See, I'm a new version. I'm so sorry, babe. I'm sorry.
Hold on. You mean the money you took from me? I can remember very well. I was supposed to pay my school fees. A sum of 200,000 naira, which I gave you half of it. Just because you came down here crying and begging. So you gave half of my school fees to James.
It was a mistake, babes. Everything. I didn't know what I was.
And the most of it all, you're telling me right now that the whole pregnancy of a thing, I was wondering, it wasn't even clear from the beginning. I was like, how on earth can it be possible? We never had it wrong. But you gave me some kind of crazy convincing reasons. No, I need to ask you because we've always been using protections. We never had it wrong. So
Okay, you need me to remind you, right? Let me remind you. Remember that night we went to the party clubbing together. We both got drunk and we got back home and we had sex.
wait, Rose. So you do drugs?
I'm a new Rose, baby. I'm new. See. I stopped drugs. I stopped alcohol. I stopped everything. I'm new. I'm not with James. It's gone. Babe, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you can never be with James again. Why will you be with James? Why will James choose to have you close to him when it is very obvious that you can never give birth again? Oh, you think I don't know? Maybe I should just show you the conversation. Men will always be men.
So guy, what's up now? You just say you want to see me. What's this up?
DJ, you be guy. He say I be guy.
No man now.
You get some time you say, as person be guy. I feel I will just carry reach some level where you say, I don't want make just affect you anyhow. Now on top this big matter, Muslim.
No man now. You don't deal with us. You don't deal with us everybody now. Say you and I'm the and. No man, guy no fit the fight on top ladies. That one don't do.
DJ, you don't know anything though. Get some shit where you say, you still dey do where you say, okay, now I carry reach one level
I deal with you.
close to don't come up and there.
Don't come up there. Well, I don't know say the matter don't cast like that. But na normal stuff. Something up between me and her. I should come on time. That one no be something. If you want the bad matter, you know for the bad matter be down. I just something wey up between me and her. So that one don't go already. Okay, you know I shouldn't talk without you. Levels no dey talk.
Mostly na bad bitch. So na once she tell them she come over. Guy, if I tell you say, mostly don't come up for belle for me. For belle, she don't come up for me. You say she don't even get womb again, guy. How they clear, how they carry that level,
Wait, shey na same Rose wey I know or na another Rose you dey talk?
No, mostly for Yanapaja. Guy, I know if you bad mouth Rose now. I be street. I dey control babes anyhow. I be let them spoil.
This matter won't look serious. So, you mean I'm on a joke?
Is this how they joke?
I don't believe why go do such thing. I bet guy, normally nobody will still get that day. All those ones don't be something.
Wait, no worry, man. She dey feel me. She don't believe abi. Don't be now. I go send you evidence. How you be? On top WhatsApp now. I go send you the evidence. Go use your eye see am now.
You mean this matter?
Now same mostly matter, guy.
Maybe I should join the conversation. Huh? The messages that James sent to me. You are an empty barrel. Like empty in and out.
I love you.
Like
I swear, I love you. I swear.
I know. You're just going to do me a very big favor right now.
You have forgiven me, right?
Who am I? We offend God, we offend Christ, we ask for forgiveness and He forgive us.
Thank you.
So, you're just going to do me this favor. Just stand up.
Babe, I'll forgive you, right?
Stand up. Stand up. For the sake of the memories that we've had, for the sake of the happiest moments that I can't forget, for the sake of the time out with you, for the sake of everything that we've shared, for the sake of the embarrassment, the shame. Get out! Like, get from out! Prostitute! Idiot!
What are you doing here?
I should ask you that. What are you doing here?
You know the story, so I don't need to be making some kind of explanation. She's here to beg. Like,
For what?
Babe.
beg.
Who's your babe?
Hello. This should be the first and the last time in your entire life. At least you had the opportunity, but I don't know. This should be the first and the last time you will ever make use of that word, babe. Now, for the last time, get out. Come on, get your. Babe. Come on.
What's that from still doing here? What's he still doing here? Is a question. I need an answer. What's he doing here?
We just leave that.
Why? My boyfriend's house.